In this video, I'll show you how to make any image talk just like I do. Would you believe me if I said I started out as just an image before being brought to life with this amazing tool?
Not only talk, you can also make any images sing your favorite songs.
You can keep me inside the past.
In this video, we are going to show you how to do it. It's quick, easy, and straightforward.
At the moment, this tool is free, but it may not be free for too long, so let's do it. Head on to Google, search for Hedra AI, and click on the link to visit the Hedra homepage. Once you're on the homepage, click the Try Beta button. It will ask you to log in, and you can log in using a Google account. You'll be taken to a simple interface with 3 sections. In the first section, you can create your audio script or upload an existing one. The second section lets you generate a character image or upload an existing image. In the third section, you can view the generated video. Well, that's about it. Now let's create a video. We'll start by generating the voice. Choose an appropriate voice from the list of available options. Then, type in the script. Hello there, my name is Alina. I am an AI model. Next, let's upload an AI-generated female image. For the best results, make sure the image shows the person looking straight ahead, with the mouth and lips clearly visible. Now all we have to do is click on this Generate button and wait for the awesome video. It may take up to a minute to finish generating the image. Here it is. The video is ready. Let's play it.
Hello there, my name is Alina. I am an AI model.
You can now download the video by clicking on the download button that appears under the video. However, when I tried with animal images like this, it didn't work for me. It worked best with close-up human faces like this. But you can experiment with different images. Let me know in the comments how it came out. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more future content like this.